Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Apple Cash inside Wallet. Open Wallet, tap Apple Cash, and follow the prompts to verify your identity. Make sure your device runs the latest iOS, your Apple ID has two-factor authentication, and you have a device passcode. Once done, add a linked debit card for instant transfers or use your bank for slower deposits, and enable payments in Messages so you can send and request money directly. This gets you from zero to ready in a few quick steps. Next, you send or request money via Messages by opening a conversation, tapping the Apple Pay button, and entering an amount, then swipe to send. Choose whether the payment comes from your Apple Cash balance, a linked debit card, or a card on file. This affects speed and fees. Add a short note to clarify purpose, and confirm with Face ID or Touch ID so the transfer is authenticated. After sending, check Wallet and Messages for the payment confirmation and any pending status updates. Finally, you manage funds and complete transfers. Open Wallet, tap Apple Cash, and choose Transfer to Bank. Select Instant for a small fee or Standard for 1 to 3 business days with no fee. Make sure auto-reload and spending limits fit your needs, and monitor transactions in Wallet for 1,099 reporting thresholds. If something goes wrong, first check your network, Apple ID sign-in, and that the linked card is active. If problems persist, contact Apple support for payment-specific troubleshooting and escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.